Today we are not gathered here to celebrate Independence Day of Myanmar. We are gathered here to remind the world that since every birth of independent Myanmar, the Rohingya people have been subjected to systematic discrimination, exclusion and persecution. Myanmar gained independence on 4th January in 1948. However, for the Rohingya people, the true spirit of independence has never realized. For the past 78 years, independence has failed to include us, even though we are indigenous people of Myanmar and rightful citizens of the country. The Rohingya were present in Arakan State long before independence. We participate the struggle for the independence, tax passed for the nation registration card and national identity, vote in election, and serve as a public office. Yet, despite being full citizens, we have been deliberately denied recognition and speak of our right. Since independence, Myanmar has been plagued by civil war and instability because successive government failed to respect equality, justice, and inclusion. The Rohingya people become the victim of this failure. Discrimination intensive under military rule and continue under successive government. In the genocide happening and mass displacement of 2017, today we are resolved. Today we say clearly and firmly, you receive your independence. Now give us ours. You have no right to exclude us from our ancestral land, our identity, our citizenship. Arakan is our homeland. Myanmar is our country. International community has failed to ensure our safety, dignified, volunteer repatriation since 2017. This failure has caused deep frustration and disappointed among Rohingya genocide survivors. Refugee cannot not a solution, and prolonged displacement is not a sustainable. We call upon international community, including United Nations, United States, OIC, and ASEAN member of state, and regional partner. We take concrete and decisive action. We ask them to work closely with the government of Bangladesh, who has generously hosted us for years. Bangladesh cannot, should not to bear this responsibility alone. This is a global responsibility. We demand recognition of Rohingya community and also our political right, and set voluntary, dignified, and sustainable to return our original homeland, Arakan. Justice, accountability for crime committed against the Rohingya community. Empower Rohingya community to shape their own future. Our struggle is not against Myanmar as a nation. It is against injustice, discrimination, and exclusion. True peace in Myanmar will never be achieved without justice for the Rohingya community. Today, we raise our voice, not for hatred, but out of hope. Hope for equality, hope for justice, hope for a future where Rohingya children can live with dignity in their homeland. We are Rohingya. We belong to Arakan, we belong to Myanmar. And we will continue to demand our rightful place until justice is done. Today, we want to clear Myanmar can never be a democracy and an independent state and country without ensuring Rohingya rights. Thank you.